Hello, so I have done the cardboard boxes. Look, and so instead of buying weed mat, we've saved a bit of Mother Earth today by using these, cardboard boxes where they were about to throw this right from where I got it from. Right, there you go. And later on, the mulch will be delivered, so we will put the mulch on top of these cardboard boxes, and there you go. Right, so I've transplanted the tomato. Actually, it's so root bound already. Now, I buried it way down deep. I actually cut a leaf just to encourage more roots, and so more roots yields more of the plant, and of course more of the fruit. So this is the tomato container. I'm just gonna put this over here as well. So, wow, I can't believe that it's getting real, and I'm so excited because this is, as I said when we started this vlog journey, this is like our very most serious year of trying to plant. So I've only got this stake for now. I think I need to buy like the proper tomato stake, but we are just not on the budget yet this week to buy that. So we'll make use of that. Make sure that when so generally just my concept in my mind is I don't want to stake the tomato plants right after you've transplanted them, because I don't want to damage the roots as much as possible. So I placed the stake first, and then I positioned it where I will plant in the tomato. Good. I'm just gonna add a bit more of the soil. Right. Nilinis na namin itong mga gilid nito na we just cleaned up the grass that is going to the border, and yeah, it looks tidier like that. And we prepared tarp for where the mulch is gonna go. Mulch is going there, compost is going here. Looks really nice. Bahay bubo. There you go, guys, our compost has arrived, and the mulch as well, which is looking like it's gonna be too much for the little space. tanim ko lang. Right. So the compost is here and the mulch is there. Actually, the quality of the compost is really nice. I don't know, the video won't dignify how nice it is. Right, okay, and the mulch here is good. Right, this will surely turn into a good compost in the future. That's really nice. So we'll get going, and it's so exciting, so much fun, so much to do. Yay.